Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. So myself Allauddin here. So I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So today let's discuss about a topic, a Revit topic here. So let's see this one, how to make this one as a model text. Today topic in this topic we are going to learn about how to make the model text. So model text is nothing but see it is like a signboard on the walls, not only in the walls, any 3D structure. So we are going to place some signboards like in the name we are going to give here. Okay, so for that one what I'll do, I'll just place one wall here. Okay, now see I'm just going to take one architectural wall here. Okay, so I will go to 3D. If you click on 3D option here, now I wanted to place a text here. So if you want to take the place here, take the model text. Under model text, so you have to enter the text. Now I'm just going to enter the text name here. So I'll make this one as in CAD NEST. If I'll take this CAD NEST and you can click and see, don't directly place on the plane on the wall. Click down here. If you click down, now if you want to place it, now select the text. After selecting the text, pick new option. You can see this one. If you click on pick new option, now you can place in which plane you wanted to place. You can place. After placing this one, if you want to make this in correct way, in a 90-degree this, then you can take a rotate option and you can just rotate in a 180 degree. So from this point to here, I'm going to rotate here. That I'll just give this as in 180 degree click. Once you will click, now you can see this one, the text is placed here, like this. So you are going to give a place in the text, and if you want to show in the realistic form also, we can keep in realistic forms also. So hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.